Hey, this is Jen Buck, and I just wanted to give a quick testimonial about the six-figure blueprint and how wonderful this online business is, creating daily pay. This business, you promote 4 different digital products, and you get 100% commission. We get the resale rights to this, so that's how we can earn 100% commission, which is just so cool. We also have an amazing community where my friend Michelle O'Neill has set up live training sessions twice a week. They're all recorded, so if you can't be there, don't worry. You can watch them at another time. And she has so many fun things that she's teaching us in our community. Everybody is there to help, support, and guide us. So I've never seen anything like this in the online business, and I feel so lucky and special to be here. So if you guys want to join an online business that is thriving and taking off, now's the time. You should join us now. We'll see you later.